Okay, here's my setup outside the case. Everything's working great, but not in the case. Okay, we got the HIS HD 6950. G.Skill Ripjaws, 8 gigabytes. Core i7 2600K. Of course, Asus P8P67 Deluxe motherboard. Outside the case now. Okay, here's my case. Here's the motherboard tray. I got two extra 640 gigabyte Western Digital hard drives. I got a Zalman Extreme cooler. I don't know what the number is. I forgot what the number was. And here is the beast that's giving me problems. The Thermaltake Armor Plus. I think I've got some kind of short somewhere in the case. Motherboard tray. I first built it. The motherboard wouldn't power up. So, just to test the motherboard and all the other stuff, I, installed everything outside the case. And as you see, everything worked just fine. So, I'm going to install everything back in the case and give it another try. And hopefully the first time was a fluke. But, see, everything is up and running. Windows 7 64-bit. Installed on a Crucial 128 gigabyte solid state disk drive, and I have it in a icy dock drive converter. That's basically it. I'm going to try to put it back in the case and see what happens. I'm out.